Alright, dahil ang dami nag-aap ng aficionado review sa akin, let's review my aficionados that I have right now. Let's go. Start natin yung video kay F28, which is Armani Code or Armani Code lang. I forgot, pero I think it's Armani Code. So yun na nga, testing na natin siya. Air dry mo natin. Ooh, grabing opening niya. Medyo citrusy. Amoy lemon. Smells like bergamot. Ang ganda talaga ng amoy nito. It's a citrusy, woody, leathery, and somewhat sweet. Pero hindi siya yung tipo ng sweet na nakaka-overwhelming. It smells like a tonka, not a vanilla or amber, but I like the sweetness. It's a very manly sweetness fragrance. Hindi siya tulad ng Ultramale. Okay, baka kasi may sabi, kakagod ba yung Ultramale? Hindi. This one is leaning towards masculinity. So if you're looking for a sweet, masculine, citrusy scent, Armani Code Black or F28 aficionado is good. Next is isa sa mga favorite ko and isa sa mga pinakamalapit kay Versace Eros, F69 aficionado. So this is inspired of Versace Eros. Ang tapang talaga ng amoy ng aficionado kapag sa opening. Meron silang distinct smell. But yeah, F69 of aficionado really got that smell of Versace Eros, the sweetness, the citrusiness, yeah. This one, kung gusto niya maghanap talaga ng Versace Eros yung scent, then go for the aficionado F69. As in, ang lapit talaga, like 85% to 90%. Para sa akin I don't know sa iba, pero for me, it's around 85 to 90%. And ang lakas din niya mag-project, by the way. Next naman, is yung pinaka-nostalgic para sa akin is aficionado F2. Fun fact lang, isa ito sa mga pinaka-unang aficionado na natry ko back when I was in elementary and high school. Ito yung lagi kong gamit. Pinag-aawayan pa namin to ng brother ko. Ooh. Ang tapang nun. Pero yun na nga. That's what I like about aficionado. It has that strong scent sa una. Pero upon dry down, ang bangon talaga na. This one is a very aromatic, fresh, citrusy, kinda aquatic and floral. Parang halo-halo na yung maamoy mo dito. I think this will be good for a summer fragrance or everyday use. So kung naghahanap ka ng everyday school, office, or anywhere na alam mong papawisan ka, aficionado F2 is good. Let's go naman sa pinaka-favorite ko sa aficionado right now. It would be the F46 by aficionado, which is inspired by Ariana Grande Cloud. So, alam mo, spray mo pa lang siya, amoy whipped cream na siya. If you know how a whipped cream smells, ito siya It smells like a food. It's very sweet. Like super sweet. Amoy candy na literally, amoy candy na vanilla. Ganon yung amoy niya. You can also smell the coconut here. Yun na naman talaga yung manonotice mo dito It's a very sweet whipped cream type of scent. If you know how a sweet fragrance smells, then you would love this. Hindi siya overwhelming sa vanilla, pero basta it's super sweet. I really like it. It's my favorite aficionado at the moment. And yung longevity niya sa akin, nagtatagal sa akin ng 5 hours. I don't know why, pero 5 hours lang nagtatagal sa akin compared to other aficionados na nagtatagal sa akin ng mga 3 to 4 hours lang. Pero so far, it's already good for its price and, you know, bako nila promise. Okay, fun fact lang, mas gusto ko yung woman scent na aficionado compared to men's scent. Kaya binili ko rin to si F68, which is Britney Spears Fantasy. Maraming fantasy si Britney Spears na perfume, pero hindi ko sure kung alin doon. So let's smell this na lang. This smells like a fruity scent. Medyo ang tamis niya, sobrang tamis niya. This one smells like a kiwi, lychee. Hindi ko sure. But yeah, you can smell those. Medyo amoy white chocolate din siya. Ay hindi. Basta something food. Hindi ko sure kung ano. Basta yun. Pero yun ang yung pinaka ma-distinguish mo. Yung kiwi and lychee scent niya. It's good. It's a good female scent. If you're that type of person that likes sweet and feminine scent, then aficionado F68 is good for you. Which is Britney Spears, Coral, Fantasy. Or Fantasy lang pala. Yun lang. So, yun na nga. I've been using aficionado since elementary and so far it is one of the best inspired fragrances that you can buy. Ang tagal na nila sa merkado, ang tagal na nila sa market and subok na rin sila. So, if naghahanap ka man ng mga good, inspired perfumes, then just try Aficionado. Yun yung mga marirecommend ko. I'm supposed to get F50 and F51 because Dior Sauvage and Mont Blanc Explorer. Kaso, naubusan ako ng stock. Wala daw. So, inamoy ko lang. And yung Sauvage, medyo malapit naman. Yung Mont Blanc, medyo hindi ako nalalapitan. Pero so far, okay naman siya. But yeah, so far that is my Aficionado collection. I only have 5. So if you're into fragrances like those, C2C, then try Aficionado. Disclaimer lang, yung longevity niya, 3 to 4 hours, which is already good. Projection, ang lakas nila mag-project. Promise. Kung talong mo sa kaibigan mo, maaamoy ka nila within a meter or 2 meter range. That is based on my experience. And yung longevity naman niya, 4 to 5 hours. I think 3 to 4 hours, pero minsan nagkatagal siya sa akin ng 4 to 5 hours. Pero, yun lang. So far, that is my review for Aficionado. Dahil ang dami naghahanap sa inyo. Yun lang, boys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.